Dear friends, I am Monia, Assistant Professor in Department of Electronics and Instrumentation Engineering, Hindustan College of Engineering and Technology, Coimbatore. Today let us see about the topic Energy Storage Technologies for Intermittent Renewable Energy Systems. So the background of energy storage system is that it stores unstable electric energy during wind and photovoltaic power generation. So which is sharply growing new renewable energy and supplies the unstable energy to electric power system whenever the demand is raised. If there is no such energy storage unit, any kind of serious problems like sudden blackout occurs because of the unstable sunlight dependent electricity supply. This storage takes an important part in the electrical energy systems for applications like households, medium sized system for industrial and commercial applications, and also for extra large system which is used in power plants and substations like frequency regulation purposes. So various energy storage technologies are available in a country. Some of the devices are pumped storage, superconducting magnetic energy storage, flywheel energy storage, regenerative fuel cell storage, and compressed air energy storage. Now let us see about the pumped storage. It is a hydropower plant which may store huge energy by pumping water from a lower reservoir to a higher reservoir. So in a pumped storage hydro plant, we usually make the height of the reservoir equal to a small hill, and at bottom a cavity is made so that water may not run away downwards. In this, water is pumped during off-peak times and may be utilized to produce the electricity. So other innovations which may store electricity in small quantity, but pumped storage hydropower may store electricity in megawatts or also even in gigawatts. Next type is flywheel energy storage. So this is a kind of energy storage device. They store energy mechanically in the flywheel rotor by rotating the rotor, while as chemical batteries stores energy electrically. So when we want to use the stored energy in the rotor, a generator is used to convert mechanical energy to electrical energy. So these flywheel systems are not sensitive to temperature since they are operating in a vacuum containment. Therefore, the hybrid vehicle with flywheel systems can run without any problem at very cold or also at hot temperatures. So, and these flywheel systems can store more energy per system weight compared to chemical batteries. So this kind of system is very efficient energy storage device which can be used for various applications. Our next storage is superconducting magnetic energy storage, in which this energy is stored in the magnetic field created by the flow of direct current in a superconducting coil. So this advanced system stores energy within a magnet and releases it within a fraction of a cycle. Our next type is regenerative fuel cell storage. It is an electrochemical cell that converts a source fuel like hydrogen, methane, propane, methanol, etc. into an electric current. So it is a kind of device that generates electricity by a chemical reaction. Every fuel cell has two electrodes, one positive and one negative respectively, which is called as anode and cathode. The reactions that produce electricity takes place at the electrodes. So hydrogen is the basic fuel, but fuel cells also require oxygen. So one great appeal of a fuel cell is that they generate electricity with very little pollution. Much of the hydrogen and oxygen used in generating electricity ultimately combine to form a harmless byproduct. Our next type is compressed energy storage. So energy from solar or wind and even electricity from thermal power plant during off-peak period may be utilized to compress air by compressor, and same air may be utilized to produce the electricity in peak hours. So these compressed air energy storage is done only in underground caverns or abandoned mines. So that's all about our types of energy storage devices. These are some of the references. Thank you, friends.